Hello friends, myself Dipak Shirbhate, and today I am going to demonstrate you how to assign sound to VRML, you can see components. Okay, so this is my Facebook page, this is my Twitter page. Let us start with the exercise. First of all, we will start our Vivaty studio. Okay, this is the Vivaty studio. Vivaty studio lets you create the VRML worlds. So this is the Vivaty studio and now I'm going to import one file to this Vivaty studio. It will be imported from my working directory, which is on G. So from working directory I am going to import this bucket elevator. Okay, so I am importing this file and now you can see it has been imported quickly. And now I'm going to assign sound to this bucket elevator. Okay, so now I'm going to assign sound to this bucket elevator. Okay, so let us first of all create a zoom out or zoom in. Okay, Shift D will show all these things in wireframe mode. So then this with the pan we can bring the things at proper position. Now this is the perfect position. You can see the things. Okay, now we want to assign the sound. So first of all we have to bring the sound in the working directory. Let us go to the working directory, PC, and then G, and my project, and I want to assign bucket elevator actually wave file. So this is the wave file. So copy this wave file to the working directory, or working directory is here. I am going to copy this. Okay, and then we can assign this file. So here we can assign. Okay, and first of all we have to scale this. So scale I will apply 0.2. 0.2 is much bigger. I think 0.1 will be perfect. 0.1. Okay, but I have to okay, 0.1 is good. It is covering. Now let us see X direction. Then this is Y direction. Let us make it point. Okay, I think it is covering the entire area. 0.2, it is covering the entire area. Okay, then we can move this the entire envelope like this. Okay, so it is covering the entire area. Okay, and spatial loop and auto start, and let us assign the audio file now. So this is the required audio file. Okay, so this is the required audio file. We have assigned this audio file properly, and so this is how we have assigned the sound to the elevator. Now let us see whether it is getting played. No problem with that. So this is how we can assign sound to the objects in the VRML. So here actually what I have done is that I have assigned sound to a specific area. This is the spatial sound. Spatial sound means the sound which is specifically coming from this machine, and the envelope sound, envelope is elliptical. I have made it elliptical so that the entire conveyor can get covered with the sound. There are two types of sound, one is spatial and second is ambient. So here we have assigned the spatial sound. So we'll save this. We have to save this file as a elevator 1. We'll save this prior to exporting, and then we can export it. Then we can export it in a uncompressed manner as elevator 1. with sound. Elevator 1 with sound. So now let us check our file. Let us see our file how it is working. So we'll go to the G, and there is a working directory. This is the file elevator 1 with sound. Let us open this file. As we will go near the elevator, we can hear the sound. As we will go near the as we will go away from the elevator, we cannot hear the sound. So this is how the sounds can be assigned to the VRML files. So I'm thankful to you for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can contact me. Thank you.